A lot of jaywalking as a model. Hello, I'm Abuk, I'm a model, and it's London Fashion Week, so come with me in the hectic day of the life of a model. 3 shows today, so you're gonna be seeing a lot of clips of me just bolting. We're walking because there's a marathon going on. Bless those people, I could never. Woo! Woo! So many of them, oh my God. Come on, come on, come on. We gotta run in between runners, the nerves are crossed to get here. It's always good to make sure you leave on time because stuff like this happens all the time. Like, I didn't know there's a marathon today.
So you're going to walk down the middle, everything's kind of lined.
Rundown is that we have to run. They're calling me. We gotta get to the show now.
Okay, so Chris, are you gonna...
Next one is Simone Rocha. We gotta go like really quickly. I'm sure it'll be fine for this rehearsal. There's always another rehearsal right before the show. It's so cold. It's really clouded. I'm still a tourist at the end of the day. I'm super excited, super ready for this show. I can't wait because I heard the makeup's gonna be something super crazy, so I cannot wait. Thank you, love. Hop in. My debut was with Moschino. Like, they have my heart forever. I love Moschino. I did Valentino, which was amazing. I was a little scared when it came to Valentino. The ground was literally broken mirrors. Hello. I'm here. Okay, the train's coming. I can hear it rather fast. It's very windy. When I first started off, I wish I knew that not to expect to get every single casting you do. Because at first, I would get super upset if I never got a call back for a casting that I did. What I want to say is that don't be upset over like the opportunities that you've missed. Be happy about the mark that you left behind. Because believe it or not, the casting directors, they will remember you, regardless of what happens at the end. They will remember you. So don't feel so bad if you don't get a show. It's all the best work. All right, I gotta run. We don't have time to wait for escalators. The show's at 6. It's 5:03. We gotta go. Oh, sorry. I'm coming. I'm coming. ID, you need to get your ID out. Sorry, can you stop filming? All right, bye guys. We'll see you guys after the show. It was so much fun, super excited. The show started immediately. It was a lot of fun. I gotta get on this and I gotta run. Can't wait to see all the photos and everything. I know Vogue is very quick to release photos, so I'm gonna stalk it till it's released. Here I am with the beaded eyebrows. I'm surprised I did so well. I didn't know the runway. That has been a day in the life of a model during London Fashion Week. Thank you so much for coming with me. I'll see you guys in Milan. I am absolutely exhausted and I've got a 4 AM flight, but you know, what can you expect? Bye-bye.